Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from rainy South Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we got a really good looking Go Rhino bumper we did on the Chevy. But before we get going, if you have questions, that is our telephone number and we got really good answers. That being said, Joel, come on over here. We got this 2018 Chevy Silverado and we put this Go Rhino bumper on here. You got your nice little hooks in the back here. This got a 16 gauge steel, so it's very thick. I tell you, it's a nice heavy duty bumper. Now, a lot of people don't realize the factory bumpers are only designed to take an impact between 2.5 to 5 miles an hour, which is not a lot. This sucker, this thing is solid. It's going to protect the back of your truck. I mean, again, besides looking good, you like to have that extra protection. And I'm a huge Go Rhino guy. I love their products here. We did put some lights in here, which are sold separately. By the way, if you buy the lights, they do come in a pre-cut hole or a flat piece. So let me go flip the lights on so you can see that real quick. And these lights are pretty bright. Let's see here. There we go. Now, why would you have lights in the back? Well, for example, I have these lights on my truck as well, and when I go camping, and you know, as you can see, there's a hitch here. By the way, that's a factory hitch that didn't get to remove. You're trying to hook up the trailer or whatever it is. It's nice to have that extra light there. If you're in a real dark area, you're in reverse, and sometimes the reverse lights are not very bright. This is like a headlight, and it really makes a big difference if you're a real dark area. So, you know, you got some benefits having the light. Of course, you got benefits of having a super strong bumper. Now, C&H Auto Accessories, we like to tell you the pros and cons. The pro, heavy duty bumper, reasonably priced, looks terrific. You got even a little step here. It is set up for sensors as well, if you have sensors. The cons, now, the Go Rhino website says it's 4 hours to install, which is probably a little on the low side. But if you go watch the Go Rhino video from them, 90 minutes. I know you're trying to sell bumpers. Do not mislead the customers, Go Rhino. It's not 90 minutes. 4 hours is more of an accurate. Now, of course, we have lights, so that had a little bit more time for it. There's a lot involved with taking the old bumper off and getting the new bumper on. So you'd be surprised. It is not an easy removal. I mean, we've done bumpers all the time. And this one took a little longer than I expect, to be honest with you. You know, just loosening the whole cab and the whole bed and lifting it up so we can get the bumper out. Not a lot of fun. So, and of course, with all the rain we've been having lately, it's not much fun either. Again, I love the look. I know the guest is going to be just as happy as we are. Joel, go ahead and swing around there, get a real good look at everything here. I'm going to flip the lights off since I'm sure they're blinding the camera. Now, if you like this bumper, we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here in the store and let us do the installation for you. Again, you can do it for yourself, but a scale from 1 to 10, this is a close to an 8 for installation goes. So if you are a person who doesn't do a lot of this, on rule of thumb, rear bumpers are generally a lot easier to do. The way this one is set up is a little bit of a headache, so keep that in mind. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. And before I go, hit that like and subscribe. And don't forget, we ship this anywhere in the country. So if you don't live here in Florida, not a problem. We'll ship all the way to California, even Hawaii. We take care of New York. We take care of Texas. We take care of Puerto Rico. We go all over the place. So 40% of our business nowadays is being shipped out. I still get people all the time who say, well, I live in another state. You can't help me. I'll just go buy it on Amazon. Dude, we're the same thing. We ship it to you. The nice thing is, if you have questions on the installation, we can help you. Where if you call the guy on Amazon, he's like, oh, I don't install that stuff. I just send it out. You know, and that's where we get all the phone calls here. It's like, oh, I didn't buy it from you, but I expect you to help me with it, even though I don't take the time to buy it from you. No, that doesn't work that way. You have to buy it from us for us to help you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Go Rhino rear bumper here on the 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. Thank you.